Welcome back. We're getting in some breaking news from Kerala. A fire has broken out at the SM Street in Kozhikode. In fact, more than 8 shops have gutted as a result of this huge blaze. You can see there plumes of smoke coming out of those shops. Fire tenders, in fact, have been rushed at the spot. I'm going to go straight across now to India Today's Revathi for more on this. Revathi, give us all the details first.
Well, the fire started at around 11:30 in Mithai Street in Kozhikode, and this is a very busy street with the streets full of shops and textile showrooms and several complexes like that. And around 8 shops have been gutted already. More than 10 fire engines are on the spot, and for about 1.5 hours now, the fire is consuming all the shops over there, and the fire has still not been. They've not been able to put off the fire completely as yet, but. Fortunately, so far there are no reports of casualties that have been reported from this place. But this is one street that is seen fire engulfing very often in a year, at least twice or thrice. We see this incident happening in the street. But right now, we do not know what exactly is the reason for the fire. But it started out from a textile showroom in that street and spread across to other shops as well. So far, about 8 shops completely gutted, and because of the smoke that is engulfing the area, the amount of smoke that you can see in the visuals as well, it is becoming extremely difficult for the firefighters as well to put off the fire. As of now, no casualties, but the fire being spread to other shops as well. That's what we're hearing from Kozhikode.
All right, Revathi, thanks so much for joining us, and we of course will keep coming back to you for further updates. Moving on now, Bihar Congress Vice President Brajesh Pandey has resigned after a case of sexual exploitation was lodged against him by a minor who is also the daughter of a former Congress minister. In fact, he was named in the case 3 weeks ago, but he quit only after the girl threatened to immolate herself if she didn't get justice. Pandey claims that it's nothing but conspiracy against him. The girl, in fact, complained in the month of December last year. She alleged that Brajesh Pandey and an automobile businessman, Nikhil Priyadarshi, had sexually exploited her. Pandey, in fact, has been now booked under the stringent POSCO Act and is also accused by the girl of running an interstate sex racket. The opposition BJP has demanded for a judicial probe and the immediate arrest of all the accused.
उसके फादर से कंप्लेन किए थे, बट उसके फादर बोले कि जो मेरा बेटा कर रहा है सही कर रहा है, पुलिस हमारे जेब में रहती है, तुम हरिजन समाज से हो, लाला समाज में शादी नहीं हो सकती। इसने उसे अक्यूज्ड को ही सेफ गार्ड किया है, संरक्षण दिया है।